Hello class 3rd student, this is a book of social science. Today we are going to start our first chapter, which is Earth, our home. So students, do you know what is the earth? Earth is the place where we get food to eat, water to drink and shelter to live. Earth is the only place because of which we are all alive. Students, here on this page we are having a warm-up exercise. So let's read. Anna accidentally locks herself inside the car. Her parents are not around. There is a girl whose name is Anna, and one day she accidentally locks herself inside the car. And at that moment her parents were also not there. She is scared and cries for help. After that, she is very scared and cries for help. She starts feeling sick. After some time, she starts feeling sick. Anna's parents rush back to the car and help her get out of it. Soon after, her parents come and help her get out of it. Anna takes a deep breath. She feels better now. As soon as she gets out of the car, she takes a deep breath and feels better. So now the question is, why did Anna feel sick in the locked car? Why did she feel so? Answer is, Anna felt suffocated in the locked car because there was no air. Answer is, Anna felt suffocated because when she was in the car there was no air. That's why she was feeling sick. Now turn your page. Earth, the planet of life. Earth is the only planet which is having a life. The Earth is known as the planet of life. Among all the planets, Earth is the only planet which is known as the planet of life. Means the planet which is having life. It is blessed with natural resources like land, water and air that support life on Earth. The Earth is the planet which is blessed with all kinds of natural resources like land, water and air, which are essential for any living thing to live. We need land to live and grow food. So, we all grow different kinds of plants in our home or outside, and for all those plants to grow, what we need? We need land, and we need land also to live. We use water for drinking and other purposes. We also get water from the earth, which we used for drinking purposes and for also other purposes like washing and like bathing and many more. The earth is surrounded. Repeat this word, surrounded. It means something that is completely covered from all sides by a layer of air called atmosphere. So it means earth is completely surrounded from all sides by a layer which is of air, and that layer is called the atmosphere. We need air to breathe. We also need air to breathe. We means like all kinds of living things like plants also breathe air, animals also need air to breathe, and like we also. All these things make life possible on earth. So it means all these natural resources makes life possible on the earth. Hence, the earth is known to be the only planet that supports life. Hence, because of all these reasons, Earth is known to be the only planet that is having life or that supports life. What makes up the Earth? Means what are the things that makes the Earth? Our Earth is one of the 8 planets that move around the Sun. So in our solar system there are 8 planets that revolve around the Sun, and amongst all those 8 planets our Earth is one of them. The Earth gets all the warmth, repeat this word, warmth, it means heat, and natural light from the Sun. So means all the natural heat or all the natural light that we get on the Earth, it all comes from the Sun. The Earth's surface is made up of land, water, and the air is all around it. Means the surface of the Earth is made up of land, water, and air, which is all around it. Means this is the Earth, and the outer surface of the Earth is completely made up of land, water, and air. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. 1/4 of it is covered with land. So means a total of from the total of the Earth's surface, 3/4 of the part is covered with water, and the rest 1/4 of the part is covered with only land. Since most of the Earth's surface is covered with water, it is also known as the blue planet. As the most of the part means the 3/4, the major part of the Earth's surface is covered with water. That's why the Earth is known as the blue planet. So students, why the Earth is called as the blue planet? Because the most of the Earth's surface, that is the 3/4 of the surface, covered with water. That's why we called Earth as the blue planet. The atmosphere that surrounds the Earth is a mixture of gases. Means the atmosphere, the layer that surrounds the Earth, is made up of different kinds of gases. One of these gases is oxygen. So there are so many kinds of gases that surround the Earth, and amongst them oxygen is one of them. Oxygen is the gas present in the atmosphere that we breathe in. So amongst all the gases that are present in the atmosphere, oxygen is one of them, and oxygen is the only gas that is present in the atmosphere, and we use this oxygen for breathing. Means all the animals, all the human beings use this oxygen for breathing. Movements of the Earth. Now, what is the movement of the Earth? How the Earth moves? This thing we will understand in this paragraph. The Earth never stands still. Means the Earth never stays same at the same place. It keeps moving all the time. Means the Earth always keeps moving. It never stays at the place. The two main movements of the Earth are rotation and revolution. Means Earth move all the time. Now Earth always moves in the two main movements. Means there are two types of movements in which Earth moves. First is the rotation and second is the revolution. So students, in our next video we will understand what is the rotation and what is the revolution. That's it for today. Revise this page and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.